Alright guys, I'm doing a review of a good portion. These are lime, saffron, roasted pistachios. Check this out. Saffron is one of the most expensive ingredients in the world. Spices, there's the nutrient panel, but if you look here, it's saffron's at the end. So, obviously they're not giving tons of saffron, but I'm actually kind of curious how well the taste is. Now, they should have deshelled them because that probably would have made the taste a lot better, but let's see. It is. It literally just tastes like pistachios with like, I don't even taste the lime in it. It just tastes like pistachios, guys. So it's a little underwhelming. Like if they deshelled them, I think most of the flavors are already on the shell, but no one sucks on the shells of pistachios. So anyways, if you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.